Okay, this is episode 2 of a series on Oath of Evil, the War on Protestantism, one of the books I've written, 650 pages. Biblical facts linked with intelligence and prophecies and what's coming out. And if you can get hold of a book, please do so in paper because we cannot change the manuscript. I do change manuscripts on Amazon like Donnie to me in codename Ballador. Right, let's quickly look at Billy Goat Clinton. You know who that is, former US president. Now, a funny thing about the US presidential lineup is all of them by DNA relates back to the House of Charlemagne, which is an old kingdom in France who saved the Pope. So, in fact, they're all princes. Yes. It's also so that normally the tallest guy with blue eyes will win the election. Unless, of course, they interfere with it in some way. But let's look at the guy. Clinton is very much under the influence of a Jesuit professor called Carroll Quigley. And Carroll Quigley at some stage said that there is a little group of people who control the world, and he's obviously one of them. He was referring to the Jesuits. And then if you look at Billy Goat Clinton as a human being, and we have to pray for the man, you'll find out he ran away from Vietnam. So did Trump, by the way. So did Biden. Yeah, all your presidents ran away. So did Bush. Bush 43 also ran away. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, strange, isn't it? And this Billy Goat Clinton, of course, has not explained his Epstein Island trips at all. We know that he went there without his security detail a few times. Well, more than a few times, but some people say about a dozen times. Yeah, that's not coming out. It's very interesting because that is, according to me and many people like me from intelligence background, that was a Mossad operation. Yeah, so you see, guys, this is fascinating what's happening here. So it's security, espionage, honey traps, all those things together. But Epstein was never charged for these serious crimes. No, it was misdemeanors almost which he was charged for. That the influence of a president, a prince. Yeah, we can say a lot more about Billy Goat Clinton and how it's linked. And yeah, go and read the book. There's a lot more about that fellow.